we're gonna do some fun kid-friendly recipes. We're doing gluten-free, vegan mac and cheese muffins, and we're doing regular mac and cheese muffins. All kid-friendly, all delicious. And what I'd like to say is if you are on my YouTube channel, take a moment, hit the subscribe button if you haven't done that already, if you want to keep seeing more fun, delicious, healthy recipes like this. Okay, so let's get into the recipe. My kitchen is a complete hot mess right now, but I promise we're going to clean it up and we're going to show you how to make this fast, easy, and simple. Hey you guys, I am here today with a very special guest, my dear friend, Laura Richter. We're gonna do some mac and cheese muffins for her kids. Two versions. We're gonna do regular mac and cheese muffins, and then we're gonna do a vegan, gluten-free version of mac and cheese muffins. All right, so let's just get back into this recipe and we're gonna go into the ingredients right now. So the mac and cheese muffins, this is a recipe from my book, Skinny Chicks Eat Real Food, and it's been such a hit with all my nieces and nephews. Everybody loves mac and cheese.
Everyone loves mac and cheese.
Yeah.
I can't have gluten or dairy, so
yeah.
Let's see how this one comes out.
Yeah,
I'm sure it'll be delicious.
That's funny. So be forewarned, you guys. So we're doing the regular recipe that I've done a zillion times, which is my mac and cheese muffins, and it's with regular milk and regular cheese and regular pasta. And then Laura and her girls and some of my nieces and nephews also need to go gluten-free, dairy-free. So we have the gluten-free, dairy-free version over here, and we're just gonna see how it turns out.
This is so easy to heat up for the kids. I always need something that I can just have in the refrigerator, heat up when they're hungry, and this is gonna be perfect for them.
It's such an old recipe, but those old comfort foods are like amazing, right? Everybody loves mac and cheese.
Everyone loves mac and cheese.
We've got some gluten-free elbow macaroni. We have vegan cheddar cheese. We've got some tomatoes. We've got a plant-based gruyère. She was very surprised by this, very exciting. Then we've got plant-based milk. We've got plant-based half and half. I've got some thyme. We're gonna use fresh thyme. This is gluten-free flour. We've got olive oil, simple things, salt. Oh, this is not salt, help me.
It's pepper.
I'm so hungry, I can't even think. Pepper, Laura, take it away. What is everything else?
Oh my God, okay, this is mustard powder. I'm excited for that because I love mustard.
Yeah, that's gonna give a nice taste, yeah.
We've got garlic.
Yep, garlic, let them see the garlic.
Beautiful garlic.
Yeah.
And then we've got panko breadcrumbs.
Yeah, and they're gluten-free.
They're gluten-free.
Yeah.
Shallot.
Yep, half a shallot.
Okay, we've got, here's the salt.
There's the
sea salt. And we've got some vegan butter.
Yeah, isn't that amazing?
I've never even gotten this.
So we are like set for the gluten-free vegan version. So this is for the regular mac and cheese muffins. All right, so here are the ingredients, Laura. We're doing mac and cheese muffins. Okay, so we're doing cheddar cheese. I've got gruyere cheese because everything in life is better with gruyere cheese. I've got some macaroni, some pasta macaroni, basic. I've got milk. And then we have half and half. Okay, we're gonna make a little roux there. I've got some whole wheat flour. Then we've got pepper, so simple, olive oil, of course the sea salt. Can't do anything without sea salt. I've got a shallot and then some fresh thyme. This really does make a difference, you guys, so hopefully you grab the fresh thyme. We've got some tomatoes and of course garlic and some butter. All right, so we're doing that. We're getting the water. Okay, so we just started the pot with water and we're gonna go up to high. So this is the first step, guys. You wanna get your pan up for pasta. That's what my grandma used to say.
Pan up for pasta?
Get the pan up for pasta.
Aww.
So we're just gonna get the water boiling. Laura's gonna help me, it's gonna go really fast. So while the water's boiling, we're just going to do a little bit of olive oil here.
Okay.
And if you can just get the garlic and the shallots in here, and we're just gonna saute them for 5 minutes until they're translucent. It already is smelling good.
Yummy.
Right?
So good.
So that just needs probably 2 to 5 minutes depending. And I have the heat at a medium-high heat.
Okay.
So yeah, we just want these to get translucent. You don't wanna burn your garlic. I've got a saucepan on the burner here and I'm putting it on like medium.
Okay.
Okay, so now our plant-based milks are going in and we're warming those up. We just want them warm.
Oh, I'm spilling.
It's okay, it's a kitchen. Our pasta water is ready. Laura's got the gluten-free pasta going in.
Let's put it in.
Yeah, I like to give it a little stir because you don't want it to stick. And then I've got the regular pasta and the water. Oh, it's ready. Yep, okay.
All right.
And then
I'm gonna set a timer for 10 minutes.
The garlic and shallots are now translucent. The milk is warming. Here we're boiling our gluten-free macaroni in this pot, and we have our regular elbow macaroni in this pot, okay? Okay, so pasta is ready. Yeah, just shake it up and then just
shake a little bit.
Go ahead and throw it, yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah, that tastes good.
Okay, yeah, take those out then before they go in a bad way, right?
Yeah.
Okay. This is the regular version. So I'm gonna go butter, oil, and then we're gonna let this cook a little bit. Basically what we're doing is we're just gonna thicken it up. And then you just wanna whisk. Once you get a nice thick emulsion going with the flour and the butter, then we're adding in the milk. You wanna keep whisking. See how it's thickening up now?
Yeah.
And that was whole wheat flour, so I would whisk a little faster even, just. We're gonna use our vegan butter first.
And do I put the olive oil in next?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, so once this is all done, I put in the flour.
Yeah, is that all melted now?
Uh-huh.
Okay, good.
Melted.
Let's drop in the flour and our mustard.
Ooh,
our
and the
dried
mustard now.
Yeah,
oh,
that
great.
can go
Okay.
in. Great, all right. And then just whisk, whisk,
Yum,
whisk.
Okay.
Oh, this is beautiful. Look how nice and yellow.
Yeah. So
Yay.
pretty.
Okay, now Laura, we need to add our plant-based milks.
Okay.
Whisk while I pour it in. Go ahead, just whisk. Keep whisking. It works if you have two people.
Look how thick that looks.
Is it? Oh, good.
Yeah, see, like the totally thick.
Whoa. So the gluten-free roux is coming together faster.
Yeah. So interesting.
Wow. Okay. We're going to go
Oh.
salt. I don't want to put all that salt. That's a lot of salt.
That is a lot of salt.
Where's that number coming from? Okay, so I'm just going to put a little bit in that one.
Perfect. Oh my gosh, it smells so good.
Let's get the gluten-free macaroni in there. Ready? Okay, go for it.
Ready.
It's going in. Beautiful.
Ooh.
Cheese and
All right,
tomatoes are going
cheese and
in.
tomatoes are going in.
Cheese. Beautiful.
And then
Keep
the
mixing. I would mix,
gruyere.
yeah, all the cheese in there really good. This is
Okay.
all of the non-dairy cheese, plant-based cheese. It's a little sticky. We just took it out.
Woo!
We just took it out.
There it
Just break it
goes.
apart. It's all good.
Okay, and then the cheese, right?
Yeah,
Mix
we gotta
this
get
and then
that
the
in
cheese.
there, and we gotta get the cheese in.
That's good.
Coming in hot with the cheese, people. Here, I'll take this.
Okay.
Wow. Okay. Oh my goodness! Look at us.
Oh my.
We're making
Yummy,
mac and
yummy.
cheese, vegan and regular. Here we are. This is amazing. We've got some tomatoes, vegan gluten-free mac and cheese muffin mixture, and this is the regular mac and cheese mixture. You can just use your muffin tin like this and just spray the non-stick spray or use a little butter and flour. I'm gonna do it with the cupcake liners, and then I'm gonna spray them because that way the kids can just run around with the cupcake liner with their little mac and cheese muffin. And I've learned this from trial and error. You've got to spray non-stick cooking spray into these or your muffins will not come out of these cupcake liners. So I'm just going to add some spray to each one. You could do olive oil spray, whatever spray works for you, okay? But you definitely want to do a little bit of non-stick spray. We have finally got to the moment we've all been waiting for. We are ready to get these muffins into the tin. Can I have that olive oil, my friend? All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the breadcrumbs and we're gonna put about 1 teaspoon of olive oil into the breadcrumb mixture. Okay, and this just makes it a little crispy. Can you just mix that up with your spoon? All right. These are gluten-free panko breadcrumbs, just so you guys know, that's what we're using. I'm even using it on this over here just to keep it simple. Okay, so that's ready. So your garnishes are ready. So there it is, it's going in. Amazing. All right, you guys, so we're making mac and cheese muffins. We're making traditional and vegan gluten-free. This is such a great little, like if you're doing a dinner party or like a Christmas party, a dinner party, and you want something cute for an appetizer, you could put these out.
This like crisps up on top, right?
It crisps up,
Oh,
yeah.
Yummy.
tell them all about what you do. Where can they find you?
You can find me on What's Up Moms on YouTube. You can find me on Instagram at Laura Richter, and you can find me on Raptive. It's a new app. It's the Raptive community app, and we have a What's Up Moms kind of behind the scenes, more like you can kind of talk to us, tell us about yourself, tell us about your hacks, tell us about, your mom genius, and we want to hear from you.
So we've made these mac and cheese muffins. They're going to go into the oven at 375 for 30 to 35 minutes. So we're going to pop those in the oven and
then we're going to eat.
Then we're going to eat. We're hungry. Okay.
Starving.
Laura's getting the muffins out of the oven.
So crispy and delicious.
Here they are, our gluten-free vegan mac and cheese muffins.
They look delicious.
Don't they look
I can't
great?
wait to try them. Yeah.
They're really pretty. Oh my gosh. Anyways, don't they look amazing? Look at that. Delicious. Okay.
Let's let them cool and then.
Yeah, we're gonna let them cool. But we just wanted to say thank you for watching. We hope you make these. Comment below, let us know what you think of them. And yeah, remember to like, save, share, and that you are deeply loved by God.